hear the little chickadees. Here it comes. Good morning in the beautiful paradise island of Oahu. We're about to do this hike real quick to a waterfall.
Oh, yeah.
It's called
Right there.
Waimanalo.
Waimano Falls. I'm with my boy Jeffrey over here. Cousin Mikey.
Let's get it.
Let's get it.
You've been here before?
No, first time.
No. Well,
Oh, the little flag. Oh yeah, we're in the right spot. We're out here climbing through jungles. Jungles. All right. So the dog's gonna climb through that. Where are we going? Left?
oh, you got GoPro.
Yeah.
Ooh, you gotta take a picture in front of the little.
This monkey man. Alright, we're about to jump. Oh.
Yeah, okay.
Maybe I'm not strong enough. I can fall right here and die.
Oh, yeah. That's really fun. Yeah, it's gotta be all right. Just let go. Do you want this to or?
You got it, you got it.
Är det någon som tar bilder? Jag vill ha...
I'll do that next.
Oh, I need a picture of this.
Oh ja.
Alright, we're going up top. So we made it to the waterfall and the rope swing and the cliff jump thing. It was pretty fun. Now we are headed, Lily and Brandon, the dog, was getting too tired to come down, so they stopped. We don't even know where they went. They probably went back up. So it's been about an hour since we last saw him and the dog. So we're walking back up right now. We're gonna see what happened to them. And then we're gonna do, I don't know what we're doing, but then we're gonna go to Polly Notches for sunset, which is a really hard hike, and we might die. So this might be the last time I ever talk to a phone screen. I mean a fucking camera. All right, let's go.
So my dog can't walk. I made it like almost.
So Brandon's dog can't walk because she's too tired to hike. She was hiking down, and he sat here for maybe an hour. She's too weak to walk, so Jeffrey, the madman, is saving her. This dude's a beast. So we ended up, I don't know if I explained it, but we got lost. Couldn't find the entrance to the rest of the trail. But we ended up finding it after about 20 minutes. And Brandon's dog got really tired on the way down, so he had to stay back with her. And Jeffrey's been carrying her half the way up. She's like really weak, but she's pushing. She's pushing on. But we're headed back to the top. Don't know if we're gonna do polynotches today, but it's getting kind of late, so we'll see. But anyways, that lake was really, I mean, the waterfall was really cool, really nice.
"24 hours later."
Hey, there's people over there.
What?
Way over there. So we just got to Hanama, how do you say it? Hanama Bay. This is probably one of the best beaches I've actually ever been to. It's so blue. It's kind of amazing. But we had to watch a 15-minute video for, like a 10-minute video first, because it's a preserve, and it's like the rules and the regulations, and you can't wear a certain sunscreen over here because there's certain animals it's bad for the ecosystem. But there's seals that come over here and turtles. So hopefully we find some. Get a nice spot on this picturesque beach. You actually need to make reservations to come to this beach, so, and they're kind of limited. So if you ever want to come here, make sure you get your information. But yeah, let's go. Oh, and I also lost my drone today. It flew, the wind took it, and it died and landed in the water. So I have no drone for the rest of the trip. I have to send it in and get a new one. Really pissed off about that. But let's go enjoy this day and swim. So we just went snorkeling. Saw some pretty cool fish. Probably go back in one more time. I don't want to go over there where it's more blue and see if there's any cooler other fish over there. I really want to find a turtle, even though I did already find a couple of turtles this vacation. But yeah, there's also the endangered monk seal that comes here. They said like 3 usually come up here, but none today. After this, we're going to do the Holly, which is one of the most dangerous hard hikes on the island, so it should be pretty fun. It's a quick but steep hike. Let's see if we can find some more fish. We gotta hop on a shuttle bus to get back up. Here it comes. Did you feel it? Oh, I feel it. Oh, shoot. So it's really windy. We're about to just hike up a fucking crazy mountain, but we're not gonna do it anymore because it's too windy and cold. So we're gonna come back tomorrow. Ah.